So looking at you guys' website, it doesn't look like you have too much content on here. You only have 189 words of content. The more content you have, the better. Google loves content. It's kind of king when it comes to Google. You want to have keywords within that content. And it's going to help you rank, and Google's going to find them. You don't want to keyword stuff, though. You don't want to have keywords just thrown in there without any content with it. Google's smart. It knows when you're just throwing keywords in. It also, you got to make it flow well. Next thing would be images. You want to have these saved as keywords or uploaded when they're saved as keywords. So this, splash, unless you want to rank for splash on Google, you don't want to change that. It's just a missed opportunity that you can have. Google, it can't see what the image is, but it takes a guess at it based on what it's saved as, and then it'll give you a keyword for what it's saved as. I am going to go into Google, and I typed in roofing contractor Framingham. It looks like a pretty good sized city close by. I know there's Boston around you, and one other one, Worcester or something like that. I can't remember exactly at the moment. I have it. I'm going to show you some keywords there as well in a bit. First is these ads. These ones are Google verified. They're supposed to be a little less spammy. You just got to get verified by Google to get them. And then you got the original ads here, and then you got the GMB. Then you got organic ranking. This is just a directory. So grabbing this guy. Let's go into his website. This is what it looks like. He's got more content, but he doesn't have too much either. He only has 483 words. So you get 1,000. You can double him, and or you can get as much as you want. The more content, the better. Let's see what this guy saves his images as. I doubt he does it. Lots of people don't. Yeah, he doesn't. Pretty much, there's a lot of people that don't do it. It's a missed opportunity if you don't do it. Yep. I'm going to toss you into Ahrefs, a cool tool I like to use. You have one backlink, and you got 4 keywords you're ranking for. You get 3 people a month to your website. Those are the keywords you're ranking for. You're on the second page for these 3, which is, it looks like your company. When people search for your company, they find you. I have to go to the second page. They probably find you on the first page too for some of them. Let's go type in this guy, the competitor I pulled up. His UR score is 31. You didn't have UR or DR. And his DR score is 41. So those are pretty good numbers right there. He's got 904 backlinks, 109 referring domains, and 266 words he's ranking for. He gets 76 people a month to his website. We can go in here, see the backlinks he has, and go after them ourselves. You want to make sure you go after high DR and high UR scores. You don't want to get spammy backlinks. It's going to hurt you. Google's smart. It knows what's spammy and what's a strong backlink, because not all backlinks are created the same. You also want to make sure you go after ones that are relevant to your service, your industry. You don't want to go after fast food or stuff that's not relevant. Deep sea diving. You want to go after construction or roofing backlinks. So this one looks like a news article or a blog. I'm not sure. It redirected me. What is going on? And you can't see that one, so let's just come down and see what this one is. Connection's not private. Sometimes you can't see what they are. So this is a blog. It's probably a guest post. So this guy probably paid someone to post this on their blog site. Generally, guest posts are pretty high when it comes to backlinking. So this is, let's see, what one was it? It was this one, 22 and 38. So those are decent. You could probably get, that's a decent one. It's there's higher ones out there. Like this one's better, obviously. Let's see what that one is over there, if it lets us. Okay, so this guy, this is a marketing company. So yeah, I'm guessing This guy, this is another marketing company that he's just giving him a backlink from his company to boost up his, this is a client that he likes, probably pay him pretty good money. And he's trying to boost his score with his own website. You'll see a lot of marketers do that. But you can go check out other competition. You can check out all his backlinks. Go after the ones that you like. Backlinks. There's blog commenting, blogging, guest posts, sponsors, news articles, citations, directories. Basically anything that'll link back to you. Again, you want to make sure you stay away from the spammy ones. You want to go after the ones that are relevant to your industry. Let's go check out the keywords. So roofing, Framingham, Massachusetts, 150 volume. This is a really nice one, 1 KD, so definitely put that on your website and go after that. This guy's position 2, but number 1 is a directory, and he gets 25 people a month to his website. Roofing contractor, Framingham, Massachusetts, 60 and 0. Very easy. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. The higher, the harder. You can come down here and see all the ones that he's got. Check them all out and go after the ones you like. I'm going to go show you some other ones from different. So here's Worcester, 150 and 12, 80 and 9, 109. Just give you an idea of cities around you. Then here's Boston. I know there's a whole bunch of suburbs of Boston too we could go through and see the ones that you like. 150 and 5. Just go through them and find the ones that we like, get them to your website, and start ranking for them and getting that traffic. The last thing is a GMB. Go in here. Let's grab this guy. If you don't have one, I didn't check, but you can set one up in the cities that you want to rank for. You can have multiple GMBs. But yeah, definitely set it up 100%. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want to add photos. Photos is the content for your GMB. The more photos you have, the better. And then citations. With citations, you want to make sure your citations are just directories. I'll show you that in a second. You want to make sure that your name on your GMB as well as the name on your citation or directory are the same. The phone number is the same, and the location is the same. This is a tool I use for citations. This guy has 24 citations. Citations are directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp. You can get social citations like Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. There's a whole bunch of them out there. BBB would be a citation directory. You can Google for a lot of them. You can grab the ones this guy has, get them yourself. There's a lot of free ones out there. It's time consuming, but it's something you can definitely do and start ranking for your GMB. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. If you want, we can talk more. If not, hope you have a good day, and I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Hope you have a good rest of your night. Thanks for watching.